Did you know that today anyone can start a digital business without having stock, without renting a store, and with very little investment? Even more than that, there are people making thousands of dollars every month just by selling on platforms like Shopee, TikTok Shop, and even working as affiliates. If you want to discover how this really works, what strategies people use to succeed, and how you can start your own business today, stay until the end of this video because I will share practical steps, real examples, and insights that can change the way you look at money forever. Digital businesses are all the ways of making money using the internet as your main sales channel. Forget the old idea of opening a physical store, paying rent, hiring employees, and filling shelves with products. Today, you can sell directly from your home using only your smartphone. For example, many people open a small store on Shopee and sell clothes, electronics, or beauty products. Others use TikTok Shop and create short videos showing products in action. And then we have affiliates who promote digital or physical products, share links, and earn commissions without ever touching the product. The magic here is accessibility. Almost anyone can start. You don't need a diploma, you don't need a lot of money, and you don't need to be a tech genius. What you really need is the right mindset and the willingness to learn. Shopee is one of the biggest marketplaces in Brazil and Asia. Millions of people buy there every single day. And the secret is traffic. The platform already has customers looking for products. You just need to show up with the right offer. The advantages are clear. First, the cost to start is extremely low. Second, logistics are simplified. Shopee integrates with shipping companies, so even if you sell from your home, you can deliver products across the entire country. Third, Shopee offers built-in marketing tools like ads, coupons, discounts, and promotional campaigns. Let's make a quick calculation. Imagine you buy a dress for $5 from a supplier and list it on Shopee for $15. The platform shows your product to thousands of people. If you sell just 10 dresses per day, that's $150 in sales. In 30 days, that's $4,500 in revenue. Even after fees and costs, the profit can be higher than the salary of many traditional jobs. Products that perform really well on Shopee are women's fashion, beauty items, phone accessories, and home goods. These are products with visual appeal, low price, and simple solutions that people love to buy. Now let's talk about TikTok Shop. This platform is a real revolution because it combines two powerful things: entertainment and shopping. People are already scrolling through TikTok, watching funny, inspiring, or interesting videos, and suddenly a product appears inside a short video. The creator shows how it works, the benefits, and right below appears the buy button. It feels natural, it feels fun, and when the video goes viral, sales explode. Think about it. While you laugh or feel impressed by a TikTok video, someone else is making money with a product you didn't even know you wanted. The products that go viral on TikTok Shop are kitchen gadgets, stylish clothes, cleaning hacks, and beauty products with before and after transformations. The secret is not selling in a boring way. The secret is entertaining people while showing the benefits of the product. And here is an important point. You don't need millions of followers to sell. Sometimes a small account with just a few viral videos can sell hundreds of products in a single week. Another powerful model is affiliate marketing. This is probably the easiest way to start because you don't need stock, you don't need to ship anything, and you don't need to handle customers. As an affiliate, you only recommend a product. You share your special link, and if someone buys, you earn a commission. There are two main categories: physical products, like those on Amazon, Shopee, or Walmart, and digital products, like courses, ebooks, or software, sold on platforms such as Hotmart, ClickBank, or Edias. Imagine that you love fitness. You can recommend an online training program. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn 30, 40, or even 50% commission. Some affiliates make thousands of dollars every month just by promoting products they trust. And how do you promote them? You can use YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, blogs, or even paid ads. The more traffic you generate, the more chances you have to sell. And here is the golden rule. The more you connect the product with your lifestyle, or with a real problem that people have, the easier it becomes to sell. Now, the big question is, which model is the best? The truth is, there is no best. The best one is the one that fits your style. Shopee is perfect if you want to sell physical products with constant demand. TikTok Shop is ideal if you love creating fun content and following viral trends. Affiliate marketing is excellent if you prefer to stay behind the scenes and just recommend products. The secret is to choose the model that matches your profile and start. But let me tell you some common mistakes that beginners make. Mistake number 1. Trying to sell everything. If your store looks like a supermarket, people won't trust you. Focus on a niche like fashion, tech, beauty, or home goods. Specialization builds authority. Mistake number 2. Thinking that just listing a product is enough. Ite? No, you need to use ads, coupons, promotions, and all the tools the platforms offer to stand out. Mistake number 3. Giving up too quickly. Many people expect to get rich in 1 week, but business takes time. Consistency is what separates successful entrepreneurs from quitters. The future is clear. The world is moving online faster than ever. While some people are still chasing job stability in traditional careers, others are building six-figure businesses with nothing but a smartphone. We live in a time where knowledge and action are worth more than a diploma. Those who understand this first move ahead faster. Now, I want to know which of these models caught your attention the most: Shopee, TikTok Shop, or affiliate marketing? Leave your answer in the comments because I read them all. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Because in the next videos I will share step-by-step strategies for you to start your digital business and change your financial life. Remember, the internet is not the future, it is the present. And those who take action now will harvest the rewards much faster.